This is the little Frankie boy experimenting with puppy food. It's just dry food. These days we've been using Nature's Domain puppy food in the blue bag. And he's been learning to go potty in the litter box. We just put it right next to the bed for now until he's more used to climbing in there, and then we'll make the pen bigger and move it further away. But this is the early steps for potty training. Clover's a good mama. Whoops. Oh. Hey, puppy. Hey, puppy. Whoop. Good boy. I think he's going. Good boy for potty. Good boy. I'll play with you in a few minutes. Somebody hears me talking to the puppy and she's jealous. There she is. Clover's gonna get her. Puppy wants to play, but Clover's not too thrilled. Mainly about her being by her food. She doesn't care so much about protecting the puppy. She's not going to eat your food. Okay, I moved the food away. This other puppy likes to tease her. Or just play. Clover's very scary.